The topic of today's video is how to purchase Bitcoin on the Bitcoin.com app. Alright, so here we are on the Bitcoin.com app and we're going to click on Buy Bitcoin. Now on the next screen, which for some reason they decide to black out, all you need to do is put in the amount of Bitcoin that you are looking to purchase. Then you'll also see a little option to select the wallet you want to receive to. By default, it'll be on your BTC wallet. Then we're going to click on Continue. Once you hit Continue, it's going to direct you to MoonPay. And from here, you just want to click on Debit or Credit Card. And then it's going to ask you to put in your card details. I do believe this is only for first-time purchases though. So we are going to add our card. And from there, you'll just need to follow the rest of the steps. I do believe that they will send you an email. Unfortunately, I am not going to purchase any Bitcoin right now. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. Do keep in mind that this is in no way any type of financial advice, and any losses you incur are fully on you. And I'll see you in the next video.